Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all have been having a great week this week, and hope you've been able to capitalize on the markets so far. Today I want to just quickly go through some of the major pairs: gold, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and GBPJPY, to see how prices reacted so far, and what I'll be expecting for the remainder of the week. So I'll start with gold, and as you can see from the chart, price has, as you know, broken out of this downward trend line to the upside, and it's coming back to retest this support level over here. Okay. And whilst doing that, price has formed this descending channel. As you can see, price tested it here at the top of the channel, which also coincided with resistance over here. Then price went down to form to test the lower channel as well, which also coincided with support, and price has done that about twice now. So on the while price was doing this, price broke out from this upward trend line, which we can see all the way from here, and there was a breakout of the trend line. Now this breakout doesn't necessarily mean that price will ultimately continue to the downside indefinitely. No, I believe that the downside move has stopped, and if you're able to capitalize on this break of the trend line like I did on Monday, because there was the break here and I took my entry just on the close of this break, and my stop loss just above it, and my take profit was at this resistance, at this support level, around 200 pips. So I was able to gain 200 pips from this move over here. All right, and this was just on Monday. So far I haven't taken any trade, but I just entered the trade this morning on this trade, and that was the buy trade. Okay, and I will tell you my reason for the buy trade. First of all, price has gotten to the bottom of this channel, which also coincides with support over here. Price formed this engulfing candle, then came all the way back down into the support area as well to form this inside bar. All right, and also a double bottom. So on the formation of this double bottom and inside bar, that's what allowed me to take my entry around 1860 level. Okay, so I'm expecting price to get all the way to this the top of the channel, which also coincides with the trend line as well. So we'll be looking for a reaction around this area when price gets here. All right, so it could be that price could get here and bounce off the trend line, okay, and continue to the downside here. All right, because that will still be very valid, and it will just mean that a continuation of this downward channel. And also price could as well break out of the channel to the top, breaking this resistance level as well, and coming back to retest it before making a final up move to this resistance level here. So that's what I'll be looking at. This is a very key area for me, either this week or next week, to see that's if price gets to this area here. On the other hand, it's very possible that price could just break this support level all the way down to this trend line, okay, or get to this 4-hourly support level over here. Okay, so here or here. All right, so I wouldn't be taking any sells at all unless price gives me a sell signal around here, and I would only sell if price doesn't give me a sell signal here and price breaks this support down. I would only sell when there is a break of this support level, because that would mean that price has broken back into this trend line here and also this support level. So that's why I'll be looking for a sell. But for now, my bias is just bullish, and like I said, this is why I took my trade around the 1860 level over here. Okay, with my stop loss just below here and aiming for about 300 pips profit. So this is what I'm looking at for the rest of this week, as well as probably beginning of next week. Okay, so now let's look at EURUSD. And for EURUSD, I haven't taken any trade on EURUSD this week. I am just observing closely, As you can see from the chart, that price has also been in this downward channel, and price hasn't gotten down to this support level. So my two key areas of observation will be this resistance level over here, which also coincides with the top of the channel, and this support level over here, which also coincides with the bottom of the channel. Okay, so price is currently ranging, and there is a possibility that price could move all the way down here to this support level here, and we'll be looking for a reaction around this level if price will break it through, or if price will form a bullish reversal to the upside. If price forms a bullish reversal, I'll be taking the buy trade, and if price breaks this level, I'll be waiting for a retest of the level before selling down to this area. And if price breaks this level here to the top, okay, I would be looking for a buy when there's a break and retest of this level, or if price gives me a bearish reversal pattern over here, I'll be looking to sell down to this level. So for now, I would say let's just wait and observe and see how price reacts to these two levels before we enter any trade. So we shouldn't rush the market. Let the market come to us and give us the opportunity to profit from it. All right. So the next pair I'll talk about is GBPUSD. So for GBPUSD, I've also taken this trade. This is the first trade I've taken for GBPUSD this week. I took it this morning, placed my buy just somewhere around this area. Okay. In the next hour or so, this candlestick is going to close, and hopefully if it closes above this trend line here, just over here, then most likely price will continue to the upside. But if price goes all the way down and closes, forms a pin bar, then it's possible that price could break downwards to this support level here, and I may be wrong, but my bias is towards the upside, as price has been ranging since. Now it's gotten to the support level over here as one. Secondly, it's formed this, it's also gotten to this bottom trend line over here, and price has formed this nice bullish candle. So if price closes strongly bullish, then I'll suspect that price will continue to the top, and I'll be taking a partial profit around this level here. And if price breaks this resistance level here, I'll be waiting for a retest and maybe enter a couple of more trades to the upside, maybe to target around 1.44 level. So that's my bias for GBPUSD. My bias is bullish until this level has been broken to the downside. All right. For GBPJPY, currently I haven't taken any trade on this yet, but from the looks of things, it's very possible that price could go to the downside. So because this pin bar that is forming over here, it shows that there is a massive rejection and there are a lot of sellers around this area. So it's possible that price could close like this and continue to the downside to this support level over here. Okay, and so I'll wait for candlesticks to close, and if it closes like this or in much more bearish, I may enter a sell trade here, put my stop loss above here, and take my profit just down here. But for now, I'll continue to observe and see how the candle closes, because we still have about 40 minutes for the candle to close. Yeah, so if there is a break above this level, I'll wait for a retest and take my buy trade. And if this bearish candlestick forms, I'll be looking to sell down to this level over here. Okay, so but I'll just wait and observe and see how things happen on this trade. So I'm not taking any trade for, and I'll advise not to take any trade for GBPJPY until this candle closes. All right, so this is my analysis, my midweek analysis for these pairs, and I hope the market goes the way we want it to go. Remember, you need to be patient and make sure that you ensure proper risk management, because trading is all about, it's a game of probabilities. Anything can happen, so you have to be prepared for that. I wish you all the best this coming week, and I wish you more profits, and I would see you in the next video. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and take care. Peace.